Yeah, no, 100%. I hear what you're saying. Absolutely. And listen, I totally agree. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, now, all right. Listen, it is 100% a concern of mine as well. Listen, I'm about to just chat with them right now. I'll give you a call back in 5 minutes. I'm gonna have a word with them right now. Okay, thanks. We need to chat. I just got off the phone with my Bitcoin analyst. Oh, that you right there. See you watching this. Maybe you're on your phone. Maybe you're watching like this on your computer, on your toilet, maybe. I mean, that's where I watch most of my YouTube. But Janice told me that you're not following me on Instagram. Why? Why do I not deserve your follow? I don't understand. I don't really post super often. I don't flood your feed. But I like to think I got really good Instagram stories, so I don't know why you wouldn't be following me. It hurts my heart that you guys come back, you watch my videos, but you don't follow me on Instagram. We need to fix this right now. Go follow me on Instagram right now, @Danocracy. You know what I love about Charlie? Is he always has somewhere he needs to be. I don't know where he's going. He's like, I'm late. @Danocracy. Now it's time to get to the video. What's up, everybody? I've noticed that like brand sponsorships have seriously declined on my channel. And oddly enough, there's a graph that I have that shows penis jokes increasing. There's gotta be a correlation there. I think. Guys, come on. Sponsor me. Today's video, I wanted to do something fun. Today I want to make an anti-paparazzi jacket. A couple months back, I tested out this product. It was called Reflector Spray Paint. So it got me thinking, celebrities that always are complaining about paparazzi.
They hate paparazzi.
Which, by the way, most of them are actually organizing that paparazzi to be there. But there's others that really seem to hate the paparazzi. So I thought somebody needs to make anti-paparazzi clothing. And that somebody's gonna be me. We're about to go to the store together right now. We're leaving the house. Let's go. Okay, a couple issues that I want to elaborate on, explain about, talk. Oh my God, man, why can't I talk? Let me start my car. Ooh, baby. It's gonna be a little shaky too. Right now, we are heading to Canadian Tire. I need to pick up a rain jacket and some reflective spray paint. Sorry guys, I had to stop that shot. It was killing me, it was super shaky. We've arrived here at Canadian Tire. I mean, it says living here, but we've arrived at Canadian Tire. I hope they've got the permanent spray. If they don't, then we'll get the non-permanent. Okay, so when I rolled up to Canadian Tire, the spray was luckily in the same spot as it was last time I was here. The black can is the permanent one, which is what we're gonna get this time. Then I found the jackets. The problem was they were a little too expensive for just a simple DIY. I also found this, which I call a virgin, because if you wear this, you'll be forever a virgin. Didn't want that. So I hit up Value Village instead. I knew I'd get a way better priced jacket like this one, which was only $10. Okay, I've returned from my little excursion. We got the spray. This is the permanent one, but it says it's intended for hard surfaces. And then I got this jacket. So as you guys saw, the prices at Canadian Tire for a brand new, like probably high quality jacket was like 60 bucks. This, $10. That way, if this DIY is a total flop, I didn't lose that much money. I want to show you guys a before and after without the spray on how reflective this jacket is. So there's the jacket. Let me get the phone activated. One sec. You see the jacket's not super reflective except for like the back there. So this is before. This is the weirdest shit I've done. Actually, no, it's not at all. Okay, now let's go ahead and spray paint this thing. Now, the only thing we have to be careful of is the overspray. This is permanent. It'll probably stick to the ground, the windows here, everything. See what I mean? Like, it's completely invisible. So you can see a little bit of the spray. It actually does change the jacket color a little bit. I might be putting it on super thick as well, but. We are gonna let that dry. I'm gonna do a quick check right now to see if I got any of this stuff on me. The way I can do that is with the flash on. Oh my God. Shoot. Look at my feet. Look at it, it's everywhere. Oh no, I'm tracking it inside. Oh my God, like, I'm gonna show you guys right now what it looks like in normal daylight. As you can see, it's completely invisible. It's all on my hands, but we can't see that right now. It's all on my feet, but again, you can't see. I just got a really bad sandal tan, but you can't see it. But then, you toss on the flash. I also need to say, I did say it went on invisible, and you can clearly see that the jacket is also now partially gray. Permanent stuff isn't as invisible as the non-permanent stuff. Okay, it's been a couple hours and I think the jacket has had enough time to dry. We're gonna go to my bathroom where it's completely dark and then we're gonna test out the anti-photo jacket. While I was waiting for it to dry, I was thinking, this video is very similar to my review of the first spray, and that's okay. I was gonna say I'm sorry, but I'm not. Like, in my head it was very different, but it's coming across very similar. But whatever, content is content. Okay, let's go do it. Here's the final product. It's super crinkly though. This is all like hard. Anyways, let's try this on. Yo, I can't necessarily see the screen, but what I can see in the reflection, it's all here. It's all on my hands. This is pretty much empty now. This is a $25 can. It didn't last very long, but I want to try spraying it and see what happens. Oh, weird. Okay, I can't even see what's floating, but apparently it looks like it's everywhere. Probably should be breathing that. Big reveal. Oh no. No, already? Yo! Holy shit. Yeah. Jacket is totally way more reflective than I thought it was gonna be. Yo, see what I mean? The reason why this is anti-photo jacket is because the camera is setting to this, which is blowing out my face. You can't really see my face. Genius. Oh my god, there's so many fumes on. Ugh, okay, we need some air. Woo. Okay, so I really want to talk about this really quick because I didn't do this in the other video. The reason why it's called an anti-photo jacket or anti-paparazzi jacket is because when they're taking a photo without any sort of reflector, the flash is going to really light up your face, it's going to get your clothes, everything about you. But when you have a highly reflective jacket like this, take a look at these photos. These are completely the exact same settings, okay? Here's a before. Me in my bathroom, blue jacket. You see my shirt underneath, you see my face, everything. With the exact same settings on, with the flash, it totally changes the settings of my camera. And look at this. All you see is a jacket, and you see like it on my fingers and stuff. You can't even see my face. Oh my God, that worked so much better than I thought it was gonna work. Especially with these like side-by-side photos. I pretty much already knew how the reflective spray was gonna work, but I didn't realize that it would like mess up a camera shot so well. If you guys can technically do this with any piece of clothing, you have to do this outside. There's a lot of fumes and it's not good for you to breathe those in. I gotta go have a shower now. Spray it. I cannot see any of it on me, any of it on my shirt. It's completely invisible until someone takes a photo. Okay, so you guys have it. That is how you make anti-paparazzi clothing or anti-photo clothing. You guys can easily try this at home. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have not followed me on Instagram yet, please do at Danocracy. Less than 2 weeks before the iHeartRadio MMVAs. Continue to be voting and using the hashtag FFCreatorDanocracy. Holy crap! I checked yesterday, it's just under 4,000 tweets using that hashtag. Insane. Every single one of those is a vote. You guys can also vote once an hour in the link in the description down below. Subscribe to my channel if you have not, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.